Keto or Atkins, putting it all together, what diet should you choose? Now that you know the ins and outs of each diet, which one should you choose? It depends. The Atkins diet and keto diet both have the potential to help you lose weight and improve health, but whether or not it will work for you depends on various lifestyle and health factors. To help you make the right choice, I recommend asking yourself these questions. Does this diet help me improve my health and lose weight at a healthy pace? Can I convert this diet into a long-term lifestyle that helps me stay healthy and maintain my weight loss? Can I adjust my lifestyle, habits, and food environment to help me lose weight and keep it off without having to always rely on willpower, discipline, and social isolation? Put in another way, if your diet doesn't meet these 3 criteria, then it may be best to try a different approach. Your diet is helping you achieve a healthy weight and body composition. You are healthy while following the diet, as indicated by relevant lab tests and your overall sense of vitality and well-being. You can maintain your dietary approach and your results without diminishing your quality of life and mental health. If you are not sure how either diet will affect you, then consider doing a test run for 2 to 3 months. Monitor your health, your well-being, and your results during this trial. You may need to transition to a less restrictive low-carb diet or moderate-carb diet that focuses on whole foods if the keto diet or Atkins diet doesn't meet the above criteria. The Paleo Diet or the Mediterranean diet, for example, may be a healthier and more sustainable option for you. Regardless of what diet you choose, always keep in mind that you will never find your ideal diet. It is not waiting for you in a book or through an online success story. The best diet for you, a diet that is healthy, sustainable, and helps you get the results you want, can only be formulated with the help of careful experimentation, self-awareness, and self-compassion. If you'd like to start your journey by giving keto a try, I recommend reading through our 3-step guide to following a keto diet first. P.S. Have a look at the Keto Academy, our foolproof 30-day keto meal plan. It has all the tools, information, and recipes needed for you to succeed. Plus, the food has been tested and optimized so you can lose weight and start feeling great.